おはようございます、フィリピンのマニラの中心地マカティに来ているストリシアのミオです。ここが今日来たカフェヤードスティックコーヒーというところですね。ここに来ました。かなりコーヒーにこだわっているところで、こちらコーヒー豆 They're selling coffee beans. This is portable grinder. He's a pro wrestler. What's your recommendation?
For hot or cold coffee?
Cold.
For cold,
Yes.
Iced white and black magic.
White?
Yeah, iced white. Iced white is iced latte.
Iced white.
Yeah.
Where is it? Iced.
Beside iced.
Okay, iced white. Okay, iced white, please.
Iced white. For here.
Clear.
For here.
For here, yes.
Anything else for pastries?
You have breakfast?
Yes, sir. We have breakfast, rice bowls and pastas.
Okay, I'll go for best veggie bowl ever.
Anything else?
Not so. This machine is from Italy.
Yes, from Florence.
Florence.
It's the new design of 90th design of the Masoko, KB90.
Oh, I don't understand.
So before, you have to twist it, right?
Yeah.
This one, straight in.
Oh,
And then it will automatically
clean.
by itself. You don't need to do it.
Okay. So it's easier, friendlier for workers, barista. It's easier for barista
Yes,
to
correct.
take care.
Excuse me.
Okay, so are you barista?
Yeah.
You studied barista thing in Manila?
Yes. Actually, we also have training in overseas.
Where?
We do have online class.
Only class too. Okay, so your your teachers online was from abroad?
Our training, it's Matt Berger. We do have training here. The owner enrolled us
From Italy?
for Australia.
Australia?
Yeah, Australia based.
Australia is well known for baristas.
Yes, for specialty coffee.
Yeah. Do you do latte art?
Yes.
Oh, you do? Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
彼らはこれで重さを測ります。これが気になります。Wow. Look at that. Wow. Very high quality. Oh, this. Then how do you make coffee out of this? After
Actually,
grinding.
you can make it up. It depends. This is meant with the VCC. You have a manual brewing machine at home, like a French. Depends. It's a single cup. You can make it for a single cup of coffee for hand.
So I need to buy that one too.
You have. It's like you're making your own hand brews by a manual.
Oh.
So you get this.
Cup by cup.
Yeah.
Oh, it's cool. This one? This
Call
one?
it the B60 ceramic. Then you brew your coffee via hand brew manual. Then it's like a pour over thing. Then precisely you can get a single cup of coffee per pour over.
Wow. You sell it here?
Right now we don't have same thing like this, but we have a few of this and a Kalita. But the V60 ceramic we don't have.
Well, I should ever try the coffee by this.
Yes, we have selection of single origin coffee.
That's single origin coffee?
Yeah, it's brewed manually,
Oh, okay.
so you can get to choose from it.
They have workshops and courses. Wow. Drink different. Brewing coffee at home. Latte art and milk chemistry. Wow. Wow. 教えてます。So they're having a workshop there, over there.
Yes, we do have workshop. It happens every weekend. Depends on the schedule.
How much is for the one course? I mean the one workshop?
Well, it really depends on the workshop. It has different prices, and you can see it on the website.
Oh, on the website.
If you're waiting.
Okay. So this one for that manual grinder.
Yes, and also this one. But right now we're selling the Porlex, so sometimes we use it to serve coffee. It really depends on the volume of the guests.
This one, what's the difference between this machine and manual this one coffee?
If you're in a hurry, I recommend the espresso. So it's the way you make it is more faster than this one.
Okay.
But if you want more, if you have more time and you want to have an exciting adventure on your cup, I recommend this one.
Okay. And then put coffee beans here and then pour water. No, hot water.
Yeah. But there's a lot of stages. There's a blooming stage also. You need to make a recipe. We do it a series of tasting together with the roaster.
Okay. So it depends on the coffee beans.
Yes.
You test.
Yes.
How many grams is best for this?
Yes. And the peak of the coffee bean.
Very particular.
Yes. That's how specialty coffee works.
That's nice. Do you sell it here? This one? No.
Yes, actually we do. We're selling this one. This is the newer weighing scale, Hiroya.
How much?
This one here in the Philippines it costs around 16,000.
16,000. 16,000. Wow.
You can also see.
Wow.
You can place it anywhere. Yeah, it's more efficient to use this since you can place it. Space saving, and you can just.
Okay.
Here. So when you pull it, you can just check it in.
I see.
That's why.
That's cool.
It's really good. This one's very good weighing.
How much is this?
For the barista, it's cost around. It's much cheaper. It's around 7,000.
7,000.
7,500.
おお。特別にこの使い方を見せてくれるそうです。This is how you weigh.
Yeah. So I use 15 grams of it. Then for your coffee, I will use V60 and paper filter. So we can this one V60.
V60. This one?
D60.
That's the name of the
Dripper.
dripper.
You can see. I will pre-wet the paper filter and preheat the server. We're doing this so that we can remove the paper taste of the filter. This is our new item. This one is really good. This the smaller one, since it fits with the AeroPress, another brewer. So you can, if you really like to travel, you can bring this because it fits on the AeroPress.
山の中でこんなの飲めたら気持ちいい。
So we will now brew your coffee. So this one, since I'm using 15 grams, we call this blooming stage. This is the stage where we remove the foul odor and the foul smell of the coffee. So we're like degassing it. So for 20 grams of brew water, we usually bloom it for 30 seconds. Then after that, we will pour another one. But you can smell this one after when I serve it to you, so you can see the difference.
It gets stronger?
Yes, the aromatic is very good for this coffee.
Okay.
Smell it.
どうなんこれ？
飲んでみたい。
ではコーヒ ティーテイスティングに参ります。どうぞ。
すごいフルーティーでもなんか後味がちょっとなんか言われてみればキャラメルっていうか
甘いシュガーケーン、サトウキビ、フジアポー、
サワー&アリトルスイート。
アップルとかプルーンと言われればなんとなく。乾杯。
Cheers。
味、
フルーティー。
フルーティー。
Yeah. This bean is very good and maybe very expensive.
おいしい。
美味しいですね。
違いがわかる。
バギーはめちゃめちゃカフェのクオリティ低くて、
低かったんだ。
バリスタのクオリティめっちゃ低いんですよ。っていうのもそもそもホームミルクちゃんと作れてないとか、あとはまあバギーは豆はいいんですけどロースターが多分ダメで、昔ながらのロースターマシン直火で多分やってるやつだと思うんですけど、
やってる。
そうするともう多分味が全部
死んじゃう。
苦いというか、こういうなんか細かなセンスってやっぱ高い1000万ぐらいするマシンをドイツとかで輸入してでロースティング大量にしないと多分できないんです。あとはまあここはエチオピアとかコロンビアとか海外の豆使ってるんで、バギーはバギーの豆で多分ロースティングしてもらったやつを買ってるんだと思うんですよ。
そうよくわかるね。
だから多分バギーのコーヒー全部同じ味で全部苦いになっちゃってるんですよ。だからこういう微妙な細かいセンスが、
そういうことか。
ロースティングってすごい大事なんですよね。せっかくなんか例えばシングルオリジンのアラビカを使ってやってるのに結構なんか深めに多分ローストしてるのかちゃんとローストできてないのか、あとなんかプロになってくるとミルクもそれに合わせてなんか
いろんなミルク。
まあ2種類とか、あとはなんかマグネシウム何ミリ入れるとかなんかそれで水を調整してラテじゃないんですけどコーヒーとか黒の本当に丸山コーヒーさんとか渋谷とか、渋谷小松参道とかに出してるところとか、それなんかやってるみたいですね。もうなんかその領域まで行くともう全然わけわかんない。
ワインみたいなね、なんか。
そうなんですよ。いや美味しいです。ライスバターライスみたいな。
バターライス入ってる。
なんか普通のライスと違いますね。
玄米。
玄米です。ブラウンライス。
ブラウンライス。
マギー本当ビーガンの店いっぱいあるんで。
いっぱいあった。
ビーガンフードありますね。それがめっちゃ良かったです。
しいたけうまい。